Burn calories without hitting the gym. Looking to burn calories but don't have access to a gym? Here are 5 easy ways to burn calories without hitting the gym. 1. Take a walk. Walking is a great way to burn calories without hitting the gym. You can take a walk around your neighborhood, walk to work, or take a stroll in the park. Walking is a low-impact exercise that can be done anywhere and at any time. 2. Do household chores. Cleaning your house can be a great way to burn calories. Vacuuming, washing dishes, and doing laundry can all be considered as physical activities that help you burn calories. 3. Take the stairs. Instead of taking the elevator, opt for the stairs. Taking the stairs instead of the elevator can help you burn calories and is a great way to work on your leg muscles. 4. Play with your kids or pets. Playing with your kids or pets can be a fun way to burn calories. Running around with your kids or playing a game with your pets can help you burn calories while spending quality time with your loved ones. 5. Dance. Turn up the music and dance. Dancing is a fun way to burn calories and can be done in the comfort of your own home. Put on your favorite tunes and dance like nobody's watching. These are just a few simple ways to burn calories without hitting the gym. Remember, any physical activity is better than none. So, get moving and start burning those calories.